Apple has announced that it will launch the HomePod on February 9 and that pre-orders for the device will begin this Friday, January 26. The smart speaker will initially go on sale in the United States, the United Kingdom and Australia. Then it will arrive in France and Germany sometime this spring. It was originally assumed that the company's first intelligent loudspeaker would go on sale before the end of 2017, but was delayed in mid-December. That meant Apple missed the holiday season in which millions of smart speakers were sold, but the market for voice-activated speakers is just beginning. And at $349, the Apple speaker is playing in a very different market than Amazon and Google, which are mainly small and cheap. The HomePod is positioning itself more as a competitor to Sonos high-end wireless speakers than as a competitor to the plethora of low-cost smart speakers that flood the market. Despite the delay, Apple does not seem to have made any changes to the HomePod. The smart speaker seems to be exactly what was announced in June. The focus here is still music and sound quality, rather than the speaker's intelligence, which is the central focus of the products of many competitors. The speaker will still have a voice assistant always active, but the implementation of Siri in Apple here will be more limited than what is present in other devices. Even though the speaker goes on sale this Friday, there are still some key details that we do not know about. Apple has designed the speaker to work with Apple Music in the first place, and it is not clear how the speaker will work if, for example, you are a Spotify subscriber. Siri is not as capable here either as it is in other iOS devices, with the voice assistant limited to certain categories of third-party integrations. While it seems that they have not changed since the launch, we probably have to wait for the next Apple Developer Conference to make sense. The company intends to expand what it can do,